Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, I managed to get my hands on a mystery box which you all need to know about, and I know you're going to be excited to see what I've got my hands on. So give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so what did I get my hands on? I managed to get my hands on the Laura Lee mystery box, and I got the $75 one because there's 3 boxes that you can get, and each box has so the $75, $60 and $50 one. I went for the $75 one, and I got my hands on some goodies, which by the way I haven't even looked. I've had this in now for a couple of days and I refused to check it out until I had recorded it with you guys. So let's get into the box. Here is the Laura Lee Los Angeles mystery box. And this came quite quickly. I was actually shocked how quick it came. But there is so much stuff in here. You are going to be shocked. And she's got some new products in here as well. And this is full of stuff as well. So let me just get everything out. Okay, so let's get into the box. I just really whacked my hand and it hurts. But anyway, that's for another day. Right then, so first up we have a double-sided mirror, and I know this is one of her brand new products which is actually launching. When's it launching? It's the same time as when this is launching. Anyway, I know that this is launching sometime next week, so you need to, yeah, I've managed to get my hands on it because it was in the mystery box, so thank you very much, Laura Lee. What a beautiful mirror. It is really nice. So close up and far away. We like this mirror. And it's a marble with her logo there, which is gorgeous. Then also, which I know is launching next week, is her brand new LL Beauty Sponge. So she's got a little card there as well. This is her new latest product which is launching next week. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited that I managed to get my hands on this first. Got a bit of fluff on it, but is it from the bag? I don't know. Doesn't look like it's being used anyway. Oh, there's a bit of a chunk missing out of there. It's very small, which is cool, but then I suppose it's going to expand when you wash it. So it's very flat there, and yeah, it's a nice little shape there. So this is her new beauty sponge that's being launched. It says the LL Beauty Sponge is a double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour and blend all in one. It works great with powders, liquids and creams. Your makeup will be left with a flawless streak-free finish. Directions: wet sponge to expand, apply product in light tapping motions. And it tells you, so you've got your flat surface for baking and then pointing tip for precise application. So it's really good how you can show it, and I like the branding on that. I like that. The box, the packaging is really nice, but it's quite dirty. It's just fine. It's only the outer packaging. And then it's got some more directions on the back of the package as well to tell you how that works. So that's that. So this is $75. This was $75 and it's got over $258 worth of product. So after I put my shipping in and my the actual cost, it turned to British pounds. It actually cost me £75 to get this whole collection. So yeah, I'm actually quite grateful. So £75, I'd say, what you'd think, I'd say about over 180, 190, maybe about £210 worth of product here. Who's complaining anyway? Okay, so we have here the Laura Lee. Let's have a look. Oh, so it's like a Z palette. So this is for me to put single eyeshadows in there. It's all magnetic, this is. So that's her Z palette. And then we've got her liquid lipstick in the shade Glazed Cabana. Let's have a look what these look like. I've got her new ones that she launched. Oh, that's nice. It's got like a nice shimmer to it. It smells like Tutti Frutti, this one does. That's nice. And then this one is Nakey Nakey. Oh, I don't know about you, but I got my nails done yesterday. Oh, and my eyebrows. I got my brows done after 5 months of just nothing. It absolutely killed, but they were done and it was so worth it. It was just so nice to actually get my eyebrows done, have my nails done and not feel guilty. It was good. And then this is a lovely nice nude. That's got a bit of a nice chocolatey smell as well. So I'll just do some swatches for you. I like that nude. That's very nice and light. That's gorgeous. So that's Nakey Nakey. And this is Cabana. Actually 2 shades that I would wear. Oh, it's got a nice little shimmer to that one as well. So they're stunning. Definitely going to put them in my drawer. I've got a couple of her brand new lip glosses that she launched when I purchased the palette from her. Okay, so let's check what's in here. So it comes with a gorgeous little makeup bag as well, with her logo there as well. It's a rose gold zip. I believe that this box, mystery box, is no longer available. I think due to inventory, she was saying that it's not coming back, but you can still get your hands on the A and the B and C box, which is $60 and $50, and you still get some good products in there. So go and definitely check it out. I'll leave the links down below so you can go and check it out. That makes sense why we've got the Z palette. So here we have some single shades eyeshadows, and basically these will then go into that palette there because they're magnetic. So we've got here Crystal C, and then I'll just show you how they go in there. And then, oh, you just connect to that there. So, ow, I need to put my finger in that. Meow. Oh, it's like a nude. Vacay. Like a yellowy, goldy glitter. Summertime. Oh yes, it's summertime. So it's like a terracotta, isn't it? Oh, get my hand. That's it. And we've got Neutral Nelly. So it's like a dark brown. Oh wow. So they are the shades that have come in single packets there. And then next up we have a Party Animal, and this is a, what's this? Oh wow, these are bright. Check out those, they are really bright. That's, oh my god, if Penny sees this she's going to fall in love with it. She'll do a couple of swatches just to see. Oh, it's got a nice texture to it. So they are It's a Party, Damage Control and Karaoke. They're nice colours, they are. And then on this side, I feel like I need to go to a fancy dress party. And then on this side you've got Dranks, Bottoms Up and Hungover. And this has got a nice shimmer to it as well. Oops, a bit purple into that. It's got a nice shimmer to it as well. So yeah, they're cool. I feel like I need to go to an 80s party now. And we have a couple of brushes. So this is what's it? Oh, it's a foundation brush, flat top foundation brush. And then this is obviously a blending brush, maybe. That's quite big, isn't it? They look, I love the colour of them. So yeah, blending, highlight, whatever it is. And then this is really, really heavy. And we've got the Glazed Bronze Lit Kit highlighter palette. Oh, there's 2 in here. So you've got light to medium and medium to dark. Oh wow. Is that what they are? Wow, look at these. So those are those highlighters. And then you've got, oh, these are absolutely stunning. Those highlights. So these are obviously light to medium and they're medium to dark. Oh my god, they're absolutely beautiful. I wonder if I can give this one to, or should I just keep it? Packaging, they're really heavy. Really, really heavy. I love that rosé all day. That looks gorgeous. Wow. That is stunning. So that's that rosé all day there. That looks absolutely gorgeous. But then there's like Glow Gal as well, which looks really nice. And I'm just patting it on and it's just gliding on. They're absolutely stunning. I'm definitely going to be using these more. Wow, I love that. Absolutely love it. It's like a an orangey pink, but that is absolutely stunning. I do like that. What happened to that thing? Okay, so that's that. And then the last thing we have is the Nudie Patootie, and this is hold on. Oh, so I've got Nudie number 2, and this is obviously the first one, so it's a lot longer than that one. Oh wow, so basically it's most of her collection, isn't it? And then we've got Nudie Patootie. I did actually think about getting this. Oh wow, beautiful. So that is her, I think this was her first palette that she launched. Absolutely stunning. That topless looks gorgeous. Even nice as a, they just glide on. Literally just glide on. I love that. There's me just playing with makeup, as you do. Anyway, back to the video. So yeah, this is what is in the mystery box A. Wow, 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 I'm impressed. I absolutely love everything that's here. If you want me to create a look using all Laura Lee's products, then let me know. I will be happy to do that. I absolutely love the lip glosses. I can't wait to give them a try. So yeah, I can now add these to my little Laura Lee collection. I've got quite a bit of her products. I absolutely love them. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Laura Lee. God, what's going down with this? Just doesn't want to. I'm sure I gelled it earlier and it's just come down. My hair just wants to curl up. Oh my god. Anyway, just stay there please. Otherwise I might just cut it off. Anyway, but yeah, if you guys have tried any of Laura Lee's products, then let me know in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.